Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing one of a million collabs with my best friend Jen here on YouTube. Her name is GlamMoms. That's a channel her and her sister have together. And Jen and I have been besties for years now. YouTube brought us together and we are together. So we have decided that 2018 is going to be the year of the bestie collabs. So we are going to do about a million collabs. We're planning them all out now. And also, we've decided that this year we are going to really try to pan as much as we can, use up as much makeup as we can. And she's been doing an amazing job at this, and I want to jump on that bandwagon. So this is going to be our Project Bestie collab. It is for the month of January, and it's our birthday month. Her birthday and my birthday both fall in January. Hers is right in the middle, mine is right at the end. So we are giving ourselves 31 days to use up our best products. Get it? Besties, best products. These are the products that we absolutely love, that make us feel good and pretty and just, you know, our go-tos that we just never get sick of. So I picked 10 items. I'm not sure how many items Jen picked, but I will link her channel down below. If I have the link to the video, I will try and update the info bar down below also with her video link. So these are my 10 products that I just absolutely love. And when we were first talking about this, I just put it in the notes section in my phone super fast because I genuinely love these products, so it's super easy for me. The first is a biggie. It's a palette, and it is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Original Palette. I love this guy. I don't use it a lot because I have so many products. I have so many singles and palettes in general. I'm gonna put this upside down so you guys can see. Beautiful, right up my alley. I love everything here. The shimmers. I have a good size dip going in this guy. I think that's called Marzipan maybe. The only one I don't use often is this pink, but I have used it like once or twice just all over my lid for a nice matte look. But oh my God, love it. I love this highlight kind of color here. Gorgeous. It smells like cocoa. It's perfect for this time of year. Of course, I love this purple. Candied Violet is the name of this purple. I love this all over my lid, all over my face, on my lash line, everything. So I'm going to get a ton of use out of this product this month. We also want to do like 1 month, 1 palette kind of thing. So this is what I'm going to be using most likely. But I just really love this palette. And like I said, I have so much makeup. I just don't get to use it as often as I want. And next, let's go with the face. So I have a foundation here. This is a product I'm trying to use up, and it is the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. I have it in the color beige, and that's what it looks like right there. Beautiful, beautiful foundation. I just love this guy. It has a dropper, which is really unique. You just kind of push this button right here and the product drops out. The thing is, I just don't like this application. Like this kind of, I just would prefer a pump, because when I try to fill it, no matter what, it's just this bottom inch that gets product. So it's just kind of annoying, but it is a beautiful, very lightweight foundation. It was perfect in the summer. I just didn't get to wear it that much in the summer. And, with a new baby, I was just working and taking care of the baby. But I really like this. It's lightweight. I wouldn't say it's full coverage, but I also don't really like full coverage foundations. So if you're not into full coverage, I say go with this. Someone has asked about why I have this tape on some of my products. They're just products that I'm trying to use up. So it's just like a quick, like, oh, reminder, oh, you're trying to use that up, when it's in my makeup drawer with a million other things. So I don't have too many foundations, but this is definitely one of my favorite. And Jen actually just sent me hers in the same color. It's like her winter color, which is my summer color. Love this guy also. The other thing I'm loving is the Tarte Shape Tape. And this is in light medium honey. I do have, I think, just like the light medium color. So I'd love to use this one up because this is the one that I am loving. I think this is really good coverage. Although right now, I feel like my under eye circles are kind of like in full effect. I feel like I might be a little bit washed out right now. I'm just using natural sunlight, if that's what you want to call it, but there's tons of snow, so I feel like I'm getting white light everywhere. Anyway, loving this concealer. It is thick, but it blends out easily, and I just love it. I feel like it works really, really well. So that's a product I'm loving. I do have two blushes. Let me grab them both. I have the Benefit Rockateur, which I'm sure you guys have heard about. When this came out, there was like so much hype about it, and then it smells nice, but I don't know what it smells like. It's just a really pretty like rose gold kind of color. Really nice as a blush topper, even if you just want to use it as a highlight. I have used this as a blush topper, highlight, inner corner highlight, all over my lid, in my crease to like get that kind of pink color to come out. I mean, I've used this in a lot of different ways. It's a great all over product. Yeah, like I was saying, this came out and was just so popular, and everyone was like, you know, it was all the rage. and then like it disappeared. No one talks about it, but I love it. So that's gonna be one product. The other one is this Cargo blush. It's something else I'm trying to finish up, and my goal was to hit pan, and oh, did I. But I just feel like it's still, you know, I have a ways to go, even though I don't have that much. But I love this blush. This is from Cargo, and it's in the color Bali. And I think it's just a small size. I'm assuming the blushes are way bigger than this normally. This is 0.08 ounces, 2.5 grams. So I love this blush. I am wearing it now. I've been out for several hours, went to breakfast with my husband and baby. So I don't really know how this is coming off in camera, but whatever. Again, great blush. I really like the Cargo blushes, so that's another one. And it's also just very easy to use. It's like a go-to. I've been using the heck out of that since I had a baby 9 months ago, because it's just like easy. And if I use too much, I just grab like a big powder brush, like my one from Real Techniques, this massive guy, and I just like brush it off and we're good to go. Let me get this one out of the way, since it is kind of off to the side. This is my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I have it in dark brown. Again, another product I was trying to finish. Yeah, right. But check it out, guys. I hit hardcore pan. Even though it looks like a little bit, it's a lot. And I say hardcore because I used like all that product to get in there. Do you see like how much I actually used? That's a good job. So really love this for my brows. I hope my brows don't look janky right now. I'd love to get the microblading done. If you guys have seen videos of anyone who got microblading that is fair skin but has dark hair naturally, like my kind of complexion and hair and everything, link them or let me know down below so I can check out their videos. But I love this product. I wasn't using it for a really long time. I had it, loved it, stopped using it, and I started using it up again like for the last few months of 2017, and I was like, why did I stop? It's just so great. So that's another product that I love, 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 love. Oh, a highlight is my Becca Champagne Pop. Yep, the hype is real with this. Oh God, I just absolutely love it. I have a pretty good dip going in there too. Look at that. Ooh, right across my green veins. I just love this highlight. I don't think I'm wearing any highlight right now. I also like applying this like with a wet, like a damp beauty blender. It's just so pretty. And this on the inner corners, oh, look at that. Just absolutely beautiful. Probably messed up my eyes, but whatever. I love this product. These are really pricey, and I just hate that they're so pricey, but they're so beautiful. So that is a product I'm definitely going to be using. Then I have my Homey eyeliner. It's from Kat Von D. This side has a little pencil sharpener and a smudger, and then this is the purple pencil end, and I just love this liner. I have used this when I'm doing a purple look on my actual eyelid, all over my eyelid, to do it like a base, so that the purple's really vibrant and sticks in place. But I usually, like most people I'm sure, just use it on my lower lash line for that pop of color. I love purple. I love it. I don't have any purple clothes. Meanwhile, I'm wearing like this plumish kind of colored top, but I don't have a lot of like purple. You know, like this kind of violet-y, intense purple clothing, but I love it as an eyeliner and as a shadow. The last two products are lip products, of course. And instead of picking something that I really could use like every single day, like a nude gloss or a nude lipstick, because we're doing so many project use ups, I wanted to pick products I really loved, really made me feel pretty, and that I wanted to get a lot of use out of because they're getting older. So this is from MBA Cosmetics, and it is the Liquid Matte Lip Color in Fame. Oh God, guys, this is like the perfect red. This is, I haven't tried like the Kat Von D liquid lipsticks, or Smashbox, I'm sure has them. A lot of brands have them. I haven't tried a lot of those, but I have tried a lot of other liquid lipsticks, and they're just so drying, and they peel and they crack, and you get that weird rim, and I'm just, ugh. This stays in place. It's smudge proof, it's kiss proof, kiss approved, and it is just, oh, it's so perfect. It is so perfect. It's not too dry. My Beauty Addiction, you can buy their products online, and this, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's under 10 bucks. I think it's like $6 or something. I could totally be lying, but I would repurchase this color. So I really need to get rid of this year. I want to say by June, but I'm not going to want to get rid of it by June. But I absolutely love this red. It's in the color Fame, like I said. So I'm just going to try and use that often. And considering it's my birthday month and I have a work trip out in San Francisco, so we have a lot of dinners to go to, so I definitely think I could pull off red. Now this other color, this is Raspberry Rush, and this is a Milani lipstick. I love the way Milani smells. I know some people hate it, but look at this. Oh, I don't care. Look at that. Ooh, I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, shouldn't have done that. Totally doesn't go with anything here. But you know what? Who cares? Like I said, I love this. And I will actually pair this with like a darker lip liner, and it'll kind of tone it down a little bit. But this is super old. I disinfected these guys a lot, these lipsticks, but I need to get rid of it. So this month I am going to use this as much as possible. So that's it, guys. Those are my 10 products, my bestie products, my collab with my actual bestie. And I hope you guys enjoyed this collab. Check out Jen. Like I said, I'll link her channel down below. Let me know what products are your bestie products. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye, guys.